I blew up a faceless YouTube automation channel in less than 72 hours and then monetized it in less than 24 hours. I will reveal how much I actually earned from this channel at end, and also will reveal my niche that will shock you and show my videos live with no gatekeeping or blurring things. But first, I will tell you how I actually did it and tell you my story. Before continuing, if you don't know who I am, I've been doing YouTube automation from the past 5 years, and from the days when YouTube Studio used to look like this. This is one of my videos from 5 years ago. I've made thousands of dollars from YouTube automation. If you want to know more about my story, you can watch this video, how I used to make videos on my mom's 2GB RAM phone a few years ago and built my empire by working hard. But let me tell how I actually did it. So I was actually finding some niches for the YouTube automation until I discovered a channel that gets average 20 views, 100 views, or 200 views. But when I searched up his channel, I was shocked to see that every month this channel gets up to 16 million views. I saw that average views this channel get is 200, but this channel has views almost close to PewDiePie, 4x more views than Eamon Godsey, 10x more views than Jordan Welch, and many others. I found out that this channel upload how to type videos instead of targeting people from browse feature. That means when you upload how to type videos, they rank up in the YouTube search results and stay there for even decades, and people keep searching for those videos for years and years and never stop in comparison of the videos other than this. We mostly gets views when YouTube start pushing the videos to people's homepage, and after a short period YouTube stops pushing those videos and they kept stuck there. After I found this niche, I made my new channel, and then I found a keyword which nobody has made a video on it, and Google Trends was showing a good potential for this keyword. So first I researched the solution of the keyword on Google, turned on my screen recorder, got my AI voice and script ready, and made a video on it. After uploading the video, ranked at #1 position on the keyword because nobody had made a video on it. And guess what? That video got 494 views the first day, 1,500 the next day, 3,000 views the next day, and in total the video got 28.9 thousand views, getting me a watch time of 420 hours. But it was just the beginning and first video on this channel. The channel started blowing, and my goal was to first monetize it. So I kept searching for another keyword. I was researching the keyword in the same niche, and I found a keyword I was seeing that has a lot of potential, as I saw a lot of keywords related to it. So I made a video on it, and what happened is history. The first day the video got 929 views, the second day got 4,650 views, fourth day it got 4,000 views, but next the video started coming down. And this is what happened the day after. I got 21,000 views in a single damn day, 12,000 views, 11,000 views, 7,200 views, 5,000 views. The view kept going, and I was receiving a ton of comments thanking me for solving their problem. And this is what happened next. The video got 192,000 views. This is the highest ever on this channel. And my 4,000 hours watch time and 100 subscribers were also completed. And I was going to apply the channel for monetization. But then something very bad happened that just got my channel shut down. I had 2 short videos uploaded on this channel, and I had to delete them first. But I don't know what happened. I accidentally deleted all of the videos on my channel instead of those 2 shorts. All the videos were permanently deleted, but those 2 shorts still stay there. I actually got so tensed at that time, and I couldn't even contact the support because it was not monetized. But I knew one solution. The solution was, if you have a channel already monetized, you can just put any other channel as its manager, and that non-monetized channel will get the YouTube private agent option also. So obviously I've been doing YouTube automations from the past years, and I had my other monetized channels already which were making me money. So I connected my monetized channel to it, and thank God I got the support option. I contacted the YouTube support and told them my condition, and thank God they reinstated my video and deleted those damn shorts also. So now that everything was set up, I applied for monetization. I knew this channel was going to monetize, and in just 24 hours I received an email that I'm officially accepted in YouTube Partner Program. I was actually happy, but it's just a piece of cake for me and something very usual to me. I've been making money on YouTube from so long and have monetized so many channels. After monetizing the channel, I uploaded another video which was in the finance niche and got 11,000 views that made me $153. I got my AdSense pin also. I uploaded another video that got 18,000 views and made $361 with $19.17 per RPM, highest ever RPM. My another video which got 7.9K view, which made $62.75 with $7.91 RPM. I kept getting views and became an expert in this niche, and one of my video got 86,500 views, again making me $1,700. and you can see the top videos on this channel has got lakhs of views. This one made me $2,374 with a $14.74 per RPM. If I had made the video in the entertaining niche, it would have got me very low RPM, but these videos are related to finance, but are tutorial how-to type videos. Now, till the date today, 23rd October, I've made almost $35,000 from this single channel. I've many other channels also. One of my channel niche is video editing, and I've got collaborated with world's leading video editor Filmora also. I've worked with billions of dollars worth company AliExpress, reaching out to me for collab, worked with CJ Dropshipping, Hagen.ai, which is #1 AI avatar generator, and these are just few brands I told. There are a lot more than 50 plus brands I worked with and get daily email for collaborations. So for you to learn from me, I've made our private community and coaching program where you will learn directly from me, get access to our exclusive course. I will teach you everything you need to know to build a successful YouTube channel. I'm the guy who has done it actually and still run multiple channels. It doesn't matter what your age is, all the people are eligible for this program. The value provided in the program is $5,000 actually, but it's just $10 for you guys. As I know there will be people like me when I was 5 years ago with just a few bucks and not having enough money to buy expensive stuff. Check the link in description to start.